Are you looking for to download Lovable Vibe coding app on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily download it. First thing first, move into the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the search bar you need to search for Lovable. You can see this application is visible to you. Click on it. If you want to install it, tap on Get. Now click on Install. Enter the password of your Apple ID. Once you have entered, tap on Sign In. Wait for a while for it to load. And there you go. This application is being installed. You have to wait for a while for the application to get installed. And there you go, the app has been installed on a device. If you want to open it, simply tap on Open right over here. Now from here, you can log in or sign in into your specific account and then use this app. So this is simply how you can install or download Lovable coding app. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.